Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the TCL 75-inch QM6K QLED 4K Smart LED TV, a massive display built to transform your living room into a true home theater experience. This TV uses QD Mini LED technology to deliver impressive brightness, deep blacks, and strong contrast. With hundreds of local dimming zones, highlights look vivid while darker scenes maintain excellent detail. Whether you're watching movies at night or daytime sports, the picture stays clear and vibrant. It also features a 144 Hz native refresh rate, with motion enhancement for even smoother performance. That means fast-paced action, live sports, and next-gen gaming look fluid without distracting blur. Pair that with Dolby Vision support, and you get optimized brightness and color scene by scene. Audio is powered by Dolby Atmos along with a built-in 2.1 speaker system, delivering immersive sound with noticeable depth and clarity. Google TV is built in as well, giving you easy access to streaming apps and voice control compatibility. Keep in mind, at 75 inches, it's a large and heavier TV, so setup may require extra help. Overall, this is a feature-packed big screen option that delivers strong performance for movies, sports, and gaming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.